Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at Sofi.com yet again, and we're going to talk about the nuts and bolts of robo-investing. Okay, enough bad jokes. On to the party. All right, so like I said before, the robo-investor advisor has beat me pretty handily. If you missed my last video, they get 26.95% today. Since inception, as opposed to my 19.35%, which, it's pretty substantial. So, what I'm going to do today here, going to go back to the robo. Okay, you can see I'm investing currently $100 a month. My risk profile is aggressive, right? That's probably why I got such a good return. And you can see here the transfers from Sofi Bank. So I'm going to add a new deposit. So we're going to go into my investing account here. You can see I've been investing in some stocks, mostly dividend paying, some growth in there. All right, and you can see here the total return. All right, here are the scheduled, let's see, the recurring deposits. You can see I am recurring in QYLD, right, which is a pretty good dividend payer. I think it's around 12%, 13%, something like that. Go check out my other video when I talk about dividend paying stocks, right? And then I also have 2 deposits from my Sofi checking. Now, what I want to do is I want to add, I don't necessarily want to take these away. I mean, I kind of like investing still, right? So, but I know the robo-advisor, man, they're doing better than I am. So I'm going to put more money into that bucket, more so than the bucket that I have currently. So here I'm going to show you how it goes in here on June 1st. And we have May 15. Okay, now today is the May 7th. So it's a good day. So I'm going to do a new deposit. It says monthly on May 1st from my checking account. I'm going to do $20 right into the robo. Actually, I don't want to do it on the 1st. I want to do it monthly on the 8th. Wait. Okay, so that's not the current month, so that's a kind of a weird calendar. But it should go tomorrow then. So I'm going to review. And I'm going to slide to schedule. So you can see Sofi app is super easy. If you guys don't have Sofi yet, check out my link below. You get some free money for signing up. It's like $50 or $25 or whatever, man. It's free money. Haha, yeah. Can't beat that, right? All right. So anyway, let's go back to the monthlies here. So you can see I just increased my investment by $20 a month. So I'm going to bump that up probably in the future to $50, because every time you deposit $50, do an auto transfer out of the Sofi bank into like invest automatically, you get like 100 diamonds. So if you guys are not familiar with that terminology, go back here, and these are the membership and rewards that you typically get, right? So you can see ways to earn, activate a card, pay a friend, pay a bill, book travel, all that kind of stuff. But you see here, here's the recurring deposit to invest. I put $100 in, right? 50 to one, 50 to the other, and I get 100 points for each. So that's like $1. Not bad. It's like 1% cashback rewards. Okay. Just for putting match in for deposits. That's pretty good. So most people get like, what, 5% match at work on like their 401k or whatnot. So pretty good, right? So you can see here, I've been using the credit card as well, right? Went to Red Robin, got 100 points, spent $50. Right, it's pretty good, 2%, 2.2% cash back. So if you guys don't have SoFi yet, I have SoFi for my banking, my investing. I have a credit card. I also have a little loan through them. So it's all in one package, one bank, one place, one-stop shop. You see they do life insurance, personal loans, student loan refi, which is actually pretty good. Wish I would have had that when I was a student, because I would have just done everything right here from my phone. It is so convenient. Mortgages, business financing. I didn't even know they did business financing. And we can go see all the stuff, all the cool stuff they do here. But anyway, if you guys want to join SoFi, highly recommend it. Subscribe to my channel, keep up to date, and then open a SoFi account today. Thanks for watching.